How to make a lockpick out of a steak knife. Steak knives are $1 for 4 at the dollar store. I once lived next to a sculpture guy. He made a big bear out of granite, and he didn't have a model or anything. I said, well, how can you know where to cut? He says, well, I just cut away with my chisel and the portions that don't look like a bear. And then when I'm through, I have a bear. So I use the same philosophy with my steak knife set. I just get out my grinder and I grind away everything that does not look like a lockpick. And I wind up with something like this. This is a special tension ring or wrench that I keep in my wallet because it's small. Works well there in case of emergencies. I stick it all the way in. And push down on the pins. Peace. Don't break the lock.